What's going on, YouTube? We're back with another trade recap on the day. Market is still going, but I'm done for the day, so we're gonna get this to y'all a little bit early. Jump right into it. We took one win and one loss today, so pretty good. Day on the day, we made a little bit over 1,200. Here's the P&L card for y'all. A little bit over 1,200 today. And yeah, let's get it. That is. This was a trade I just got out of. Praise the Lord. That joint all the way back down to break even. But we took an options trade earlier this morning. I gave it out in the Discord. 9:35. We tapped into a 4-hour gap I had marked out on my chart. Over here, back here, we tapped into this gap. And I like shorts off of that, so I was a bit bearish going into today. We was up. You see, we got a little sell right here in the morning. We swept. We took London highs. So it was looking good. We sized to 0 when we do options, but we ended up, getting smoked on that joint because the market ran up. So, we went hands off, stepped back. We may reassessed what the market wanted to do, and at looking forward in the Discord at 10:42, give or take, about an hour later, we got our first pullback in the market with this 15-minute red candle. And I called out, if we tap into this 15-minute gap that was forming at the time, once we tap into it, I like to go long off of that. And indeed, that's what we did. The gap got finished forming right here at 10:40, and we got in right here once we got out of the gap. Initially I wanted my entry to look something like this, tapping halfway into the gap, stop about there, and then targeting these highs. But it didn't. So instead, once we got a close above our pivot, stop was at the low, and we just targeted our previous session high, which ran to fairly nice and quick, and then we got this sell off. So giving us about 1,200 up on the day, counting that that loss we took on options. It was it wasn't bad. I think we risked like half a position on that anyway. So took that hit, and then took this trade about 80 points. So we're up a little bit over 1R on the day. Pretty textbook day. Not it was a good day. Good simple day. Price action was not too bad. Oh yeah, let's go over what I gave y'all yesterday. For those who stayed to the end of the video, I gave y'all a trade for Asia session, and as you can see, I was asleep. I indeed was asleep. I tried staying up, and it just wasn't happening. But at the end of the video yesterday, at the end of yesterday's recap, I told y'all a tap into this 1-hour gap and we could shoot up. That's exactly what I said. I told y'all if I was up, I'd take it. I wasn't up. We really got the entry around like 2 a.m. Stop was at this low, and we're up like something crazy, 300, 400 points from this point. So yeah, man, it's a little early to give y'all another play like that in today's recap. But I would say, actually, I'm not gonna say anything. Am I? Actually, I get this to y'all. I had this on the chart for a minute. We got this 4-hour gap right here. So, opportunity to make some money if you trade futures. If you trade cash, options, this ain't for you. I mean, sorry. Maybe I get y'all something. You mean some other time. But yeah, if we tap into this 4-hour, a close above it, you can look long into these highs. Be very careful. I would much rather like a rejection out of this 4-hour. Y'all find the inverse going down, put your stop at this high, and then target like today's, like the session low, and then trail from there. I feel like that'd be pretty good. If you're watching this midday, it's 11:20 right now. Depending on how fast I can get this video out, should be quick. Take 5 minutes. I mean, this area is a good area to go long in. That's all I'm gonna say. I would say even if we get down here, still pretty bullish. And you could target sessions high, because we creating these relative equal highs up here, and if we don't push past these in the next hour, give or take, I feel as though a healthy pullback to down here, then we can start grinding our way back up, and that would be a trade you guys can potentially take. Again, be careful, because we're gonna slowly grind up into this 4-hour, which we will see a reaction off of, even if it's not a sharp one. So, you know, Asia session can be a little, you mean, so y'all just be careful. But other than that, that's all I got for y'all today. We're having a good week. Hope y'all stay safe, and God bless y'all.